automotive world converges at Automechanika, the largest trade fair for the automobile aftermarket. Let's hear from the key figures at AMT about what Automechanika means to us.
Automechanika, it's not just about a trade show. It's an opportunity. It drives us in optimistic future and to stay ahead of the competition, to assess market trends and technology.
Automechanika help us stay updated with new trends and technologies. We are learning from experts and we are bringing the knowledge to our show.
Today's digital world, Automechanika extends beyond its physical event. We showcase our products online to reach globally.
Absolutely. Automechanika is where we connect with suppliers, explore new products, and build relationship with clients. After all, it's a one-stop solution for everything.
كانت أوتوميكانيكا النقطة الأولى لبداية أوتوماكس تول من اليوم الأول، المكان اللي بدأنا فيه واستمرينا فيه بالتطوير. التميز بخدمة وإرضاء العملاء لدينا ثابت.
We're excited about the opportunities it brings and look forward to serving you with the best in the automotive industry.